I'm just doing a quick video of the Harbor Freight Planishing hammer and its uses and how you can apply it to automotive stuff and other projects. So I'm working on a Toyota, actually multiple Toyotas right now, and you know, this one I did the whole front end. It's all brand new sheet metal. That one I'm trying to keep as original as possible, and I always come across it's always the driver's side front of the panel. It always ends up getting some mud or whatever over the years, and just it eats away at that side. I don't know why it always seems to be the driver's side, but it does. So I went ahead and cut that out. You can see it's just completely cancer all the way through, and this coming back on me, so I'll grind that down to bare metal and then use spray on a weld through primer, resurface the areas that are going to be welded on the outside, and then create a patch panel. And I'm using the Harbor Freight. I just bought a cheap little Harbor Freight. It's like 120 bucks, and comes with everything. It's got the foot pedal and 3 different dies that you can change out pretty easily, and it works great. You know, it does what I need it to do. If you're doing bigger jobs, I could see it having some problems. So anyway, I'm going to recreate this patch panel here, and it's real simple. Usually I would use just cardboard templates and then just you know, just poster board, and then draw out what you need, you know, out of your patch, and then draw it out. But since this is such a compound angle and stuff like that, I could still use poster board, but I'm going to just go ahead and sketch it right on to the metal. And so I would just oversize it just a little bit, you know, and you can kind of walk it around as you're going and make your design. And you can either use a plasma cutter, just regular snips, or angle grinders, what I like to use a lot. I use an angle grinder more than I use anything else, probably. It's just really fast, and I've gotten used to it over the years. So anyway, you cut out your basic template, and then with some working, you have to know how the metal is going to move, and that's why I just don't start out with a complex project. Just start out with something really simple that you can make, and then just watch how the metal forms with the hammer. And but yeah, it's real basic. Just put it in. You can tighten it up to different lengths is where you're at, and you come back over to where you need your patch at. I've spared you guys probably about an hour of doing all the extra prep and everything that gets to this stage just to make a patch panel that you can see really well. Kind of see where I'm going with it. Still got some time I need to put into it, but yeah, that will do the job. And that's how you make patch panels for a Toyota truck also, or any vehicle.